Yes, so you are tuned into the Music and Culture podcast with Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining us this side. We really appreciate your time. If it's your first time, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever makes sense for you. Just do it. Just do it. So we have two winners, guys, at the BET Awards. South Africa has two winners at the BET Awards, Makhadzi and Tyla. Congratulations to Makhadzi. Congratulations to Tyla for winning those awards. Congratulations to both of them. So Makhadzi won the Viewers' Choice Award for Best New International Act in Los Angeles. That award ceremony was hosted at the Peacock Theatre. She was draped in a stunning red dress as she ascended the stage to accept her award. As you all know, she always has to show her elegance, her charm, beating Tyla, ICU and other global artists in that category. After accepting the award, she took to Instagram to say congratulations to myself and all my people who have been supporting me. So before accepting the award, she went down on the floor to show her culture, to show where she's from, her gratitude. That's how we do it in Venda. And she did not mind about that shoe, hey? But the presenter was gentleman enough to help her stand up and also help her put the shoe back. Congratulations to Makhadzi. Congratulations, man. It's a big thing for Makhadzi. Growing up, I would see Makhadzi perform in front of the furniture shops out in town. I'll also see her perform at the taxi ranks in Limpopo, Before she was polished, now she's polished. Before then, it was rough, But congratulations to Makhadzi, man. So Makhadzi worked very hard to get to where she is right now. It is by no fluke. She deserves everything. And this award could not have come at the right time. She was celebrating her 28th birthday in California. So it just became all festivities for Makhadzi. Well done, Makhadzi, and congratulations. On the other hand, guys, Tyla won 2 awards. She won the Best New Artist, Best International Act. She was nominated for 4 awards, but she only won 2. And she was also nominated for the Viewers' Choice Award, which went to Beyonce. Tyla also performed at the award ceremony. She did all her creative works. She brought Africa on stage. She had painted dancers who looked like a tiger. You all know that Tyla calls her fans tigers, so it makes sense. And she was also in a cage. It makes a lot of sense when she brought all those guys walking on sticks to showcase how we do it in Africa, man. And guys, it didn't end there. The new Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Mr. Gayton McKenzie, congratulated the winners on X, writing, "Things are happening already. Congratulations to both ladies. We want to assure South Africans that we will not be a ministry that will be content with congratulating artists and creatives only, but will go out to unearth more Tylas, more Makhadzis, help us find more future superstars." So congratulations to both ladies for winning. We are so proud of you. So salute,